this is Nancy. Now I'm using this HT17 earbuds. So next, I want to share my experience with you, your guys.
Okay.
Okay. So first, you can see that it's very beautiful design of this box, and so next we open it to show the real ones. Okay, this is the menu, and this is the charging base. Okay, we just try it. You see this? The
Okay.
first time when I touched this HT17, firstly I was attracted by this beautiful design. Now I'm driving the Tesla Model 3 EV cars, and the very beautiful outlook design and the very good driving experience make me feel so good. And now I'm touching this one. I can feel the same feelings. You can touch this once. The outlook is very smooth, and also this logo. I like this logo very much.
Because because when we was designing this product, actually we especially take care of the finishing of it. So we want to have the finishing which no other brand has. So we use the CNC processing in this. You can see this is aluminum, and we use the CNC processing to make it look very unique and different. When you touch it, you just fall in love with it.
Yeah, and we can see that on the surface there is a wrinkle, like the water in the lake. Very beautiful. This one's, and in summer, summer the temperature is very high, and you have some sweat in your hands. But if you touch this one, it will not slip into the ground. It's okay. It's a good, very, very detailed design and very careful design, I think.
Yeah, we
Okay.
did the anodizing paint
Yeah.
to have such feelings. So if there is a sweat
Yeah.
on your hand, there can't be the sign.
Yeah. This
Yes.
one is very better. Very special.
Yes.
Special. And as for this one, we have lots of meeting each day, and so the long-term duration of the battery is very important for me. Usually, every day I have maybe 3 or 4 meetings. But if the battery cannot stand more than 4 hours, I cannot accept. In the past, I have using some big brand earbuds, but the time is not enough. Now I'm using HT17. The non-duration time, the battery is about 7 hours.
Yes.
Yeah, I can use this for my business meeting. Everything is okay.
So when we design this, we especially take care of the time, because all other big brands, their play time is about 4 hours.
Yeah.
So we keep it for 7 hours. So because our chip is also very advanced, because of the advanced chip, our the efficiency is very good. That's why our battery timing is long.
Okay.
Yes.
Yes. Yes. And after using this one, let me try it. You can see this. It's very beautiful. Yeah, it looks like very match with my dress today. Yeah.
Yes.
Yeah.
Yes. And also, how
Um,
you feel about the outlook of this? Because most of the earbuds which are coming in the market, they have the cover, and we design it without cover. You can see
yeah.
it's very
I like this
stylish.
one. I like this one. Even this color, I like it like a light silver. Yeah,
Yeah,
light
yeah, yeah.
silver.
Yes,
Very elegant. I
yes.
don't like something too white, too black, or too red like this. I like something very elegant. But this kind of color is very good for me.
Actually, we have now 9 products, and all are patent products. So
Yeah.
our 9 products have the same color.
Okay.
Yes,
Okay. Yeah. Now I'm wearing it, and it's feel that it's very light, very light. Even most time I'm sitting, most time I'm just walking to many places, and it won't make me feel that it's too heavy in my ear.
yeah,
It's very light and won't make my ear feel very hurt. Okay,
yes,
but I feel better wearing it. The most important thing is that the quality of the voice. Sometimes have very important meetings, and the people will talk, and even one people talk, and other many people talking. Okay, we should to figure out the exact voice from the outside. Okay,
yes.
but most of the time in
The
the
conference
past,
call, in conference call
yeah,
normally.
conference call, most of the signal were just the voice will be so many interruptions.
Yes,
In this way, it's maybe for customers, it's so polite.
yes,
And for your staff, it will affect the quality of this kind of meeting.
yes,
So
it's affect the efficiency normally. Yes.
I really want a very good quality earbuds so that I can make our meeting too very smooth,
Yeah.
and so that all the details can be recorded during the meeting, and we will not slip out any important points.
Yes.
Yeah. So it's very important.
Yeah, for
me.
this we are using the latest chip, because
Yeah.
inside the chip is very important.
Yeah.
Because we are using the 8th generation chip. So
Okay.
most of companies still using 3rd and 4th generation.
Yeah.
So therefore the cost is also high, but because we want to have that kind of experience, but if somebody wear it, especially because we notice in the market there are so many earbuds, even the big brand, when you use them for the music, because this technology is not new, when you use it for music they are good.
Yeah.
But when you make the call, then there is a problem and the disruption. We make sure when you wear our earbuds, when you make the call, you have very smooth experience. The listener have the good feelings.
Yeah.
So that's why we use the very advanced chip inside.
Yeah. So I have a question. Okay. This kind of design is very special for the market.
Yes.
I have used many other earbuds. In the stack, they just like how to say like this one
Yes.
and this one, but this is very special. Actually, this attracted me for the first time. I want to know how can you figure out this kind of design at the very beginning.
Actually, because we wanted to design something which looks very different and unique and luxury.
Yes.
At the same time, we want to design something which don't exist in the market. So first of all, we go for the design which is the coverless.
Yes.
And then because we was designing luxury products, so we come to the conclusion that we want to use aluminum. So that's the most important part is. So when we use the aluminum, then also we don't want to have the cover on it, because we want to have the different than the market, different than the trend. Trend is for the plastic, it's very plastic and very rubber kind of. So when you touch it, you have the like feeling of the cheap products
Like
and
a
not very.
bucket for the earbuds.
Yes. So our plan is to build the brand. Our brand is for luxury products.
Yes.
So therefore we designed this, and we have the patent for this in China, in UK and USA. So this is our patent product.
Very attractive.
We have patent for Outlook as well.
Even this cable, the cable is very, the color is too matched. It's very matched, and everybody use it, especially for female. Okay.
Yes.
And very elegant.
Yes. Because when we design these cables also, because we want to have give the customer very good experience.
Yes.
So for that, our cable even you can use for 5 years.
5 years.
Yes, because
5 years
customized
is very
cable.
long for me, but I'm still looking forward to your new generation of products.
Yeah.
So can you just show us your feelings about the future planning of this kind of earbuds?
Actually, we are because this is TWS, so we are planning to introduce the sports earbuds for the sports that will be completely waterproof, and we are also working on the noise cancellation. But because the most of the brand which are doing the earbuds for the noise cancellation, but they don't have the certification. It is harmful for your ears.
Yes.
There is only one brand which has that certification. I will not mention the name of that brand, but actually we are trying to get that certification.
Yeah. Since this one is very bad for my work, okay, I can say this is very professional, but I also like to do some exercise during my casual time. So I'm very eager to use your sports ones.
Yeah. We will do that sports one very soon. We will launch it.